See eye to eye.
Be of the same opinion. They finally saw eye to eye after talking about the problem.
Go down in flames.
Fails spectacularly. His business went down in flames after the bad investment.
Cost an arm and a leg.
Very expensive. That car costs an arm and a leg.
Bite the bullet.
Face a difficult situation bravely. He decided to bite the bullet and tell the truth.
Pull someone's leg.
Joke or trick someone. Don't worry, I'm just pulling your leg.
Cheapskate.
Stingy. He is a cheapskate. He never buys gifts.
As clear as mud.
Very difficult to understand. The instructions were as clear as mud, so no one understood them.
On the mend.
Getting better after being sick. She is on the mend after the flu.
At a snail's pace.
Very slowly. The traffic is moving at a snail's pace.
Go-getter.
A person who is ambitious. She is a go-getter and always finishes her work on time.
40 winks.
A short nap. I'm tired. I need 40 winks.
Old as the hills.
Very old. Extremely ancient. That computer is as old as the hills. You need a new one.
Fall flat.
Fail completely. Her speech fell flat and didn't impress the audience.
Let the cat out of the bag.
To reveal a secret. She let the cat out of the bag about the surprise party.
Miss the boat.
To be late. He missed the boat and didn't buy the tickets in time.
Like two peas in a pod.
When two people are very similar. My best friend and I are like two peas in a pod.
Bear in mind.